Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problems with network adapter in Windows 10. So for fixing it you just need to go to search tab and just write here troubleshoot. So here you can see troubleshoot settings, so just tap on it. And after you just need to wait until it will load menu, and here you will see find and fix other problems, and here you will see network adapter, so just tap on it and choose run the troubleshooter. So now just wait until it will detect all the problems and just automatically solve it. So after you just need to go to, so here you can see you just need to choose what adapter you also have some errors, so for example Ethernet. So just follow next, and it will automatically fix all these problems with this adapter. So after, just tap on start menu and just choose power and restart. So after your system will restart, I hope you won't have any errors with your network adapter. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.